Imagine this, a snowstorm of the century hits your town. Roads are closed, stores are shut down. You look in your pantry, expecting to whip up a comforting meal. But there's nothing there but a box of stale crackers and a half-empty jar of pickles. This scenario might sound extreme, but unexpected events happen. Natural disasters, job losses, even a surprise guest can disrupt our carefully laid plans. Having a well-stocked pantry gives you peace of mind. It means you're prepared to weather the storm, whatever it may be. The feeling of staring into an empty pantry, especially when you need it most, is unsettling. It's a stark reminder that we aren't always in control of external circumstances. But we can control our preparedness. Building a budget-friendly food storage system is a powerful way to take charge of your family's well-being. It's about ensuring you have food on hand, no matter what life throws your way. And the best part, it doesn't have to break the bank. Food security is about more than just having enough food. It's about having access to affordable, nutritious food, regardless of your circumstances. When you have a well-stocked pantry, you're not at the mercy of grocery store shortages or price hikes. Remember the empty grocery store shelves during recent events? Those images highlighted the fragility of our food supply chains. A food storage system acts as a buffer, protecting you and your family from disruptions. Beyond the security it offers, a well-planned food storage system can save you money. When you buy in bulk or on sale, you often get more bang for your buck. And having a pantry full of staples means fewer last-minute trips to the grocery store, where impulse purchases can wreak havoc on your budget. Food storage is a smart financial decision. It's about making your money go further and ensuring your family's needs are met, even during challenging times. Before you rush out to buy every canned good in sight, take a deep breath. Building a budget-friendly food storage system starts with a clear understanding of what you already have and what you need. Begin by taking inventory of your pantry, refrigerator, and freezer. What items do you have on hand? What are their expiration dates? This step helps you avoid buying duplicates and reduces waste. Next, set a realistic budget for building your food storage. How much can you comfortably allocate each week or month? Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Even small, consistent contributions add up over time. Once you have a clear picture of your existing supplies and budget, you can start building your shopping list. Focus on filling in the gaps and prioritizing essential food groups. A well-rounded food storage system goes beyond just cans of soup and boxes of pasta. It's about creating a balanced and nutritious foundation that can sustain your family for an extended period. Prioritize these essential food groups when building your storage. Grains, rice, oats, quinoa, pasta, and flour are all excellent sources of carbohydrates, providing energy and sustenance. Legumes, beans, lentils, and peas are protein powerhouses and a great source of fiber. They're also incredibly affordable, especially when bought in bulk. Canned goods. Canned fruits, vegetables, soups, and broths offer convenience and long shelf life. Choose low-sodium and low-sugar options whenever possible. Protein sources. Canned tuna, salmon, chicken, and beans are all shelf-stable protein sources. Consider adding nuts, seeds, and nut butters for healthy fats and additional protein. Fats and oils. Olive oil, coconut oil, and other healthy fats are essential for cooking and adding flavor to meals. Store them in a cool, dark place to prevent rancidity. By focusing on these essential food groups, you'll create a well-rounded food storage system that can provide balanced nutrition for you and your family. Stocking up smartly. Where to find the best deals? Building a budget-friendly food storage system doesn't mean sacrificing quality or flavor. It's about being resourceful and knowing where to find the best deals. Here are some tips for stretching your food budget further. Bulk buying. Warehouse clubs and online retailers often offer significant discounts on bulk purchases of staples like rice, beans, oats, and canned goods. Pantry sales. Grocery stores frequently have sales on pantry staples. Stock up when your favorite items are discounted, but always check expiration dates. Discount stores. Discount grocery stores and salvage grocery stores can be treasure troves of affordable finds. You can often find name-brand items at significantly reduced prices. Farmers markets. Support local farmers and find fresh, seasonal produce at farmers markets. Many farmers offer discounts for bulk purchases, especially at the end of the market day. Grow your own. If you have the space, consider growing your own fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Even a small garden can supplement your food storage and save you money in the long run. Remember, a well-stocked pantry is built gradually. By shopping smart and taking advantage of deals, you can create a robust food storage system without breaking the bank. Storage solutions on a dime organization is key. You've stocked up on all the essentials, but now what? Proper storage is crucial for maintaining the quality and freshness of your food, and it doesn't require fancy containers or expensive gadgets. Get creative with affordable storage solutions. Repurpose containers. Glass jars from pasta sauce, pickle jars, and even cleaned-out yogurt containers can be reused to store dry goods, leftovers, and more. Airtight containers. Invest in a set of airtight containers in various sizes. These are great for storing flour, sugar, grains, and other dry goods, keeping them fresh and pest-free. Reusable bags. Silicone reusable bags are a great alternative to single-use plastic bags. They're perfect for freezing leftovers, storing snacks, and organizing small items in your pantry. Maximize vertical space. Utilize shelves, drawers, and vertical space to maximize your storage capacity. Stackable containers and tiered organizers can help you make the most of limited space. Cool, dark, and dry. Store your food in a cool, dark, and dry place to prevent spoilage. Avoid storing food near heat sources or in direct sunlight. A well-organized pantry not only keeps your food fresher longer, but also makes it easier to find what you need, reducing waste and saving you time and money. Labels and lists. Keeping track for lasting freshness. Imagine reaching for a jar of tomato sauce only to discover it expired months ago. Proper labeling and inventory tracking are essential for preventing waste and ensuring you're using the oldest items first. Here's how to stay organized. Label everything. Clearly label all containers and bags with the item name and expiration date. You can use a permanent marker, masking tape, or invest in a label maker for a more polished look. First in, first out. FIFO. Rotate your stock using the FIFO method. Place newly purchased items at the back of the pantry or shelf, bringing older items to the front. Inventory list. Keep a running inventory list of your food storage. This can be a simple spreadsheet or a notebook where you track what you have, how much you have, and expiration dates. Regular checkups. Set aside time each month to check your food storage for expired items, signs of pests, and to update your inventory list. By diligently labeling, rotating, and tracking your food storage, you'll minimize waste, ensure freshness, and make the most of your investment. Maintaining your bounty rotation and pest prevention. Building a food storage system is an ongoing process, not a one-time event. Regular maintenance is essential for keeping your food fresh, preventing pests, and ensuring your system remains effective for the long haul. Here are some key maintenance tips. Regular rotation. As mentioned earlier, rotate your stock using the FIFO method to prevent spoilage and ensure you're using the oldest items first. Pest prevention. Inspect your pantry regularly for signs of pests, such as droppings, webs, or damaged packaging. Store food in airtight containers, keep your pantry clean, and consider using natural pest deterrents like bay leaves or cedar chips. Check for damage. Periodically inspect your food storage for signs of damage, such as rusting cans, torn bags, or leaking containers. Discard any damaged items to prevent contamination. Climate control. Maintain a cool, dark, and dry environment in your pantry to prevent spoilage and deter pests. Avoid storing food near heat sources or in areas with high humidity. Replenish and update. Regularly review your inventory list and replenish items as needed. Take advantage of sales and bulk buying opportunities to keep your food storage well stocked. By following these maintenance tips, you can ensure your food storage system remains a valuable resource for years to come. Your journey to food security. Start small, grow big. Building a budget-friendly food storage system is an empowering journey that provides peace of mind, financial savings, and the security of knowing you're prepared for whatever life may bring. Don't feel overwhelmed by the task. You don't have to do it all at once. Start small by adding a few extra items to your grocery list each week. As your budget allows, gradually expand your storage, focusing on essential food groups and taking advantage of sales and bulk buying opportunities. Organize your pantry with affordable storage solutions, label everything clearly, and practice regular rotation and maintenance. Building a food storage system is an act of self-reliance and preparedness. It's a gift you give yourself and your family, ensuring you have access to nutritious and affordable food, no matter what challenges lie ahead. Start your journey to food security today. Your future self will thank you for it.